Alright guys, so I just want to do a quick review on my PlayVibe chess and checker set. So I have it right here, and I'm just gonna right off the start, very good quality. And I'm gonna show you how it looks on the inside. So I have these two little latches here. Now we'll go ahead and open it. Wow. Look how nice that looks. These pieces are premium, like handcrafted wood. Really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it up so you can just see how it looks when it's all fully ready to go. Alright guys, and that's how it looks once you have it all full set up. As you can see, it just looks really clean, really nice, ready to play. And like I mentioned, if you don't just want to play chess, like I said, here are the checkers that you can also play with. Like I said, the board, very good quality, as well as all the pieces. If you're looking for a good checkers and chessboard, this is one that I would recommend by PlayVibe. Definitely a 10 out of 10. All right, guys. So obviously we couldn't just have a full board set up. So this is how it looks in action. We got a quick game of checkers in. Again, this board is really good quality. Super fun to have. Highly recommend.